Hi, welcome to my channel and please don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe. Today I bring a topic about Acuity Insurance sees more than 40% increase in severity of commercial auto liability claims as road safety declines average commercial. The average commercial insurance claims costs are more than 400% higher than personal insurance. The same weekend on September 29 on 2022 this year to date, Acuity Insurance, the sole regional insurance provider rated A+ by both AM Best and Standard & Poor's with over $6 billion in assets. They reported a more than 40% increase in severity for its commercial auto insurance liability claims, driven up by the increased cost by repairing and replacing vehicles and the impact of social inflations. Accidents are getting more expensive. These comes are just as people are back on the road after a significant drop during the early years of the pandemic, and traffic accidents continue to rise. The data we're seeing reflects challenges facing not only insured carriers but also business owners who could face large expenses in the event of an accident, said Paige Nelson, a director of commercial lines product of development. The Acuity Insurance, taking caution on the road and ensuring your businesses has the proper coverage are two of the easiest steps a business owner can take to protect their livelihood. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, the number of miles traveled in 2021 increased by about 3.25 billion on roads, and the United States are more dangerous than ever. And HTSA estimates road fatalities in 2021 rose by 10.5% from 2020, the largest annual increase since 2005. With the increase in accident severity and claim costs, it is imperative that businesses have the correct coverage for their business vehicles and the right coverage limits. Here are 5 reasons your business needs commercial auto insurance. The first needs is improve business protection. And according to Acuity Insurance, the average commercial auto insurance claim is about 400% higher than an average personal auto insurance claim. As repair costs continue to increase due to rising inflation and supply shortage, the higher limits offered by commercial auto insurance help insure a business's vehicles or fleet. It will be covered and unexpected out-of-pocket costs will be minimized. And also additionally, the increase in social inflation, societal, legal, and regulatory trends, increasing insurance claims costs beyond the rate of inflation, which means businesses need to be ensured they have the right coverage in place to protect themselves in the event of an accident. And then the next is, without commercial auto insurance coverage, a business owner could be forced to pay out of pocket for these expenses and putting a serious strain on the negotiation and also operations. And then the next is comply with local laws. Having commercial auto insurance is mandatory in some locations, which is many states require business owners to have a commercial and also commercial auto policy if they use a vehicle for purpose and related to their businesses. And not following this regulation can result in illegal fees and costly penalties. So understanding state and regulation and ensuring compliance are essential. And then the third is boost policy protection limits. According to Acuity Insurance, the average maximum limit per accident for bodily injury on a personal auto policy is $500,000, whereas the average maximum limit for the bodily injury on a commercial auto policy is $1 million. And then compare with personal auto insurance commercial auto, which is insurance can offer business and owners higher insurance limits and helping protect them from costly medical bills or damages and giving them peace of mind in their businesses is well protected. The next is keep your businesses running. Commercial auto insurance often allows policyholders to add rental reimbursement coverage to their policy and to ensure their business is still able to operate in the event of an accident. This endorsement provides several business owners with coverage for rental vehicles while their vehicle is being repaired, also which will help keep their business running instead of source of income being lost following an accident. So thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hi, welcome to my channel and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today I bring a topic about FedNet insolvency puts Gulf Coast property owners at risk of losing insurance coverage. The Florida-based company, which is licensed in Texas, has about 1,000 policyholders in Harris County or along the Texas Gulf Coast. Impacted customers can seek windstorm and hail damage coverage through the TWEA. The store in Port Arthur suffered wind damage as Hurricane Laura made landfall on August 27, 2020. About 500 property owners in Harris County and another 500 along the Texas Gulf Coast could lose their insurance coverage after a Florida-based company was declared insolvent and ordered to cease operation by a court in its home state. FedNet Insurance Corporation, which is licensed in Texas and has about 3,700 policyholders in the state, was ordered to liquidate Tuesday by the Second Judicial Circuit Court on Leon County, Florida. Its policy will be canceled on October 27, which could leave FedNet policyholders without windstorm and hail damage coverage during the tail end of Atlantic hurricane season. Federally backed flood insurance policies issued by FedNet will not be impacted, and according to the Texas Department of Insurance, which is encouraging FedNet customers to seek policies with another company or apply coverage with the Texas Windstorm Insurance Association or TWEA. If you have one of those policies with FedNet, you need to talk to your agent right away, said Ben Gonzalez, a spokesperson for the Texas Department of Insurance. Impacted FedNet customer can apply for a windstorm and hail damage coverage from the TWEA, and it is established by the Texas legislature in 1971 while utilizing an emergency rule adopted by the TWEA in August. Under the rule, there is a 90-day application window for a TWEA coverage from the cancellation data of the previous policy, and payments are not required during the first 3 months of the TWEA coverage and the TWEA storm moratorium, under which is acceptance of a new increased policies is prohibited if a hurricane is in the Gulf of Mexico is waived. The rule was adopted, and after the Western, another Florida-based property and casualty insurance company licensed in Texas was declared insolvent and also ordered to liquidate by the same Florida court that ruled in the FedNat case. The purpose of the emergency rule is to help to ensure impacted policyholders also do not lose coverage during the hurricane season. Because according to Gonzalez, who said there were about 23,000 Western policyholders along the Texas Gulf Coast. And this is the special situation for these folks to lose their coverage right in the middle of the hurricane season, Gonzalez said. David Hookridge, an executive director of independent and also insurance agents of Houston, Texas, an organization that represents more than 70 agencies in the region, said wind damage caused by the storm it is typically more significant than flooding. So the potential loss in such coverage is very, very important for those impacted by the FedNat insolvencies. And he is stating like that. Woodridge said there are also several Florida-based insurance companies that are choosing to no longer write windstorm and hail damage policies in Texas because the amount of claims they are having to pay in the market makes the policies financially invisible. Catastrophic events like storms or floods, we seem to see that more often, he said. They are not capitalized like they should be for huge flood or wind events, so can't pay all their claims. Hence, they go out of businesses because according to information on the Texas Department of Insurance website, the Texas Property and Casualty Insurance Guarantee Association will issue refunds to FedNat policyholders for the unused portion of premiums they already have paid to the company while they paying covered claims for those and also policies if impacted policyholders have to open claims with FedNat. They will receive notices from the Guarantee Complication Association once it receives information about those claims. So thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.